I have met Mukesh before Gangster Wasseypur. I have always used casting directors, and पहले casting director exist नहीं करते तो मैं जबरदस्ती किसी को casting director बनाता था. And that's because I was doing Black Friday, and we had to do so many castings, and we needed to find people who could be the character, rather than finding actors. जो सारे actors को लगता है मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. सर मैं आपको शाहरुख खान करके दिखाऊं, मैं आपको सलमान करके दिखाऊं, मैं आपको इरफान भी करके दिखा सकता हूँ. You know, that's how they talk. But the thing is, it's like मैं आप में बिलीव कब करता हूँ जब आप जब कुछ कर रहे होते हो कि नहीं. सो आई यूज्ड टू, मेरा असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर को फोर्स करके मैंने कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर बनाया था. वो छटपटा रहा था, वो 2 फिल्म छोड़ के भाग गया. उसने कहा सर मुझे मेरी फिल्म बनानी है. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई हैड मेट मुकेश थ्रू इम्तियाज. उसने इम्तियाज की फिल्म की थी. एंड द अमेजिंग थिंग अबाउट मुकेश वाज अनलाइक माय AD who I was using as a casting director. Mukesh is from the world of acting and theatre, and he's so connected, and my film is spread out. और हमारे पास कई बार बजट रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होते हैं, कुछ होते हैं, एक्टर्स हमें वहां चाहिए, लोकल चाहिए. वी कांट अफोर्ड टू टेक एक्टर्स फ्रॉम हियर विद अ कास्ट ऑफ सम मोर देन 200 पीपल. एंड फाइंडिंग लोकल एक्टर्स, ऑडिशनिंग देम राइट देयर. आप कहीं भी जा रहे हो, वहां का लोकल थिएटर वर्ल्ड है, वहां से नए फेसेस आ रहे हैं, नए एक्टर्स आ रहे हैं. कुछ एक्टर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो वो एक ही रोल के लिए मुझे लगता है बने होते हैं. उनकी पर्सनालिटी इतनी स्ट्रांग होती है कि उस पर्सनालिटी को तोड़ नहीं पाते. और एज अ ग्रीडी डायरेक्टर आई वांट टू यूज देम बिफोर एनीबॉडी एल्स यूजेस देम, एंड मुकेश ऑफन फाइंड्स देम फॉर मी. तो इस तरह की जो चीजें हैं ना, वो एक कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर से, मतलब आप देखते हो तो वो आदमी जब कैरेक्टर, कई बार क्या होता है कि एक्टर्स वो कैरेक्टर बन जाते हैं और कई सालों तक लोग उनको कैरेक्टर्स के नाम से जानते हैं. दैट ओनली हैपेंस व्हेन द कास्टिंग इज स्पॉट ऑन. And that is where the skill comes in that he has. And I feel much more relaxed with him around कि अभी सारा काम मैं बोल देता हूँ मुझे ऐसा, and I can give him any kind of restriction. एक 54 years old dentist चाहिए जो acting कर सकता है, जो इस तरह का रोल करे. And he went and found 4 of them. So that's the advantage of working with a good casting director. And Mukesh is, I'm happy that he's put cameras in every room.
Hello. I guess everything has been said honestly, but with stalwart directors like this, I don't think anybody needs to say anything more. The best in the country that is there is here. But if you see it from an actor's point of view, I guess what Aditi said makes a lot of sense. The comfort that it gave her when she met Mukesh. We've got thousands of kids who come every day believing that they want to be the best in the trade, but get fleeced with whatever little they have. I think that's when casting companies and people like Mukesh come in and give the kids a feeling of comfort, of actually trying to realize their dream by introducing them to the talent that we have here. So I think something that is very, very necessary and important has been achieved by someone like Mukesh. And I got to know him a few months back actually, because my daughter did her first workshop here with Mukesh, and after she did that, she said, Baba, I feel much better having done a workshop here than probably having done school in New York, and probably learned more in these last 2-3 months than I ever did there. So don't make the mistake of sending a Han abroad just to train, because here is an individual who can develop your personality rather than mold you in an actor that you're already seeing on screen, which I thought was very, very interesting. So I wish him the very best, and I think everybody's blessings are with him.
Well, I've known Mukesh Chhabra. We have a very old association. I've known him since his Delhi days. And I'm so glad that I'm here in the industry at this point of time, because we have such finest casting directors like Mukesh Chhabra. I think the way he conducts his auditions is so unique and so different. Like as an actor, he makes you so comfortable in front of the camera that you don't feel any pressure. You're just enjoying the moment, I think, which is, his USP as a casting director. And he has casted me in films like Shahid when I was almost a newcomer, and nobody would have thought of giving me the title part. And him and Anurag sir suggested my name for Shahid. I think that's the trust, that's the faith he has on his actors. I think what he is doing is something very commendable for actors like us who have just come to this industry having no godfather and not knowing anyone. So now we have someone that we can go and ask for work, and we can go and at least show him our work, and then he'll decide. So a big thank you for doing what you're doing, really.
I don't know what to say. इतना कुछ बोल दिया. I'm feeling very, very, very awkward and shy. Thank you, Imtiaz sir. Thank you, Nishi sir, Raju sir, Sudhir sir, Aditi, and man behind always helping me, Anurag sir, and Sunil sir, and my friend and great actor Raju. So thank you. I don't know what to say. So बाकी let me try what I'm doing. I hope कि मैं ठीक से करूँ, क्योंकि जो कमिट कर दिया वो कमिट करना पड़ता है.
वो सिर्फ ऐड नहीं, हर जगह मैं मुकेश छाबड़ा को हर फिल्म में किसी ना किसी तरह से गलत इस्तेमाल करता हूँ. तो अगर ऐड होगा तो उसमें गाली देता हूँ. फिल्म में अगर वो खुद नहीं एक्टिंग कर रहा है तो किसी कैरेक्टर जो सबसे ज्यादा मार खाता है उसका नाम मुकेश हो जाता है. और अगर ये खुद होता है तो फिर इसी को सबसे हर फिल्म में जूते पड़ते हैं. तो इसे मैं कहना मेटाफोरिकल रिलेशनशिप, किसी को बोले कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर को मारना, देखो मैं फिल्म में करता हूँ. आई थिंक अभी तो बहुत ही डेमोक्रेटिक है सब कुछ. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. जो अच्छा है वो आगे जाएगा, जो अच्छा नहीं है उसको मेहनत करके आगे जाना पड़ेगा. द एडवांटेज ऑफ कमिंग फ्रॉम, हम जिस कंट्री में रहते हैं कि आप अगर किसी फला के बेटे हैं तो एडवांटेज ये होता है कि ऑडियंस को पहले से मालूम होता है. तो प्रोड्यूसर जो है वो चीज जनरली प्रेफर करता है. लेकिन हर जगह आप कहीं भी घुसोगे, एक सरकारी नौकरी में भी होता है. अगर आपके पिताजी इंजीनियर हैं तो उस इंजीनियर के जॉब में आपको प्रेफरेंस दिया जाएगा. हाँ, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आप में अगर टैलेंट है तो आप कहीं भी जा सकते हो.
अनुराग ने बिल्कुल सही जवाब दे दिया. और आप हिस्टोरिकली देख लीजिए, एक ओपनिंग मिल सकती है एज अ स्टार सन, एज अ डॉटर, बट आप अपने काम में सही नहीं है तो फिर आप आगे नहीं जा सकते. और आज वक्त बदल रहा है एक्चुअली. आप देखिए कितने लोग आ रहे हैं, कितने एक्टर्स आ रहे हैं, कितनी छोटी छोटी फिल्में आ रही हैं जो इनको रिलीज भी मिल रहा है, और कंप्लीटली विदाउट एनी स्टार सन्स फिल्में आ रही हैं, चल रही हैं, लोग जा रहे हैं देखने के लिए. तो अल्टीमेटली काम को सराहा जाता है, नाम को नहीं.
हाँ, वो कमाल का नॉन स्टार एक्टर जो बताइए ना, मैं अभी कल कास्ट कर देता हूँ. मतलब कोई भी, if there is somebody hugely talented, there is no way he won't be cast or she. It's not possible. In mediocrity, somebody might get an advantage. लेकिन अगर कोई बहुत कमाल का एक्टर है तो ये सातों लड़ने लगेंगे कास्ट करने के लिए. आप देखिएगा.
Apart from what has already been said on the topic, I feel that, like Mr. Shetty was saying, his daughter is a star daughter, right? But Mukesh and this institute has had a very important role to play in her life as an actor. Similarly, there are many others I know of who have gone through the same journey. There was a time when Shraddha was here, Kapoor, right? And so a lot of people have derived advantage. That is the advantage that, let's say, Mr. Shetty's daughter will not have, because she's only lived in Bombay. And she's a star daughter, so perhaps that zone of experience is not as much, which then he can provide. And that inlet into the industry, which a newcomer will not have, he provides that also. So it does everything for everybody.
I think very much, and that's why I said what I said, that, Tia felt very, very comfortable, and the first thing she said is, you don't need to send Ahan, my son, to send him to America to be an actor. You can get him to train under someone like Mukesh, which means it's saying a lot. A child, after having been through school for a year and a half, believes that, Mukesh has made a larger impact on her life as an actor, says a lot. So I think, it makes a lot more sense. And he is also providing the opportunity for newcomers from all over the country to get an opening. And every director, like they said, is looking for superior talent. My daughter might get her first film because of me, but if she's not good on screen, or if she doesn't perform the way she needs to perform, it's going to be a tough journey for her, probably tougher than any other kid would ever dream of. And that's the only thing I keep telling my children. Success, I know you can handle. Can you handle that Friday, which is not always very good for everybody? After that, what? So you have to know your art, you have to know your talent, you have to believe you can make it, and respect every person in this profession. So I guess it will come far easier from an institute and a school like this.
I think it's a great thing that he started a casting company, क्योंकि अभी सबको पता है कि यहीं आना है, because he is a fantastic casting director. He's proved himself, and I think he's very passionate about the work that he does, and he's passionate about pushing the right people forward for a particular part. और जब ऐसे किस्म के casting directors होते हैं, I think it helps actors a lot, and it helps especially new actors who come into the city not knowing anything, where they have a space, they have a person who will guide them, help them, and who directors trust. क्योंकि that is, I think, the biggest thing. Somebody, a casting director who a director trusts. फिर आपको भी पता है as an actor कि ये आपको सही information दे रहे हैं. So I think I wish him all the best, and just like he stood by me, I will always support him and stand by him.
Okay, अदिति, सबसे पहले तो आपको कहना चाहूँगा बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रही है. सबसे पहली चीज़. दूसरी चीज़ आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगा, ये आप
सबको बोलना पड़ता है ना, ये पहली जो लाइन होती है, ओपनिंग लाइन. अब आप मेरे से अच्छे से बात करिए. हाँ, आप बहुत अच्छी लग रही हो.
मैं हमेशा आप ही को बोलता हूँ. एंड मैं आपसे साथ ही साथ ये भी पूछना चाहूँगा, इस इंडस्ट्री में कहीं ना कहीं कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर का जहाँ पे वजूद है, वहीं पे कास्टिंग काउच का भी एक वजूद कहा जा रहा है कि हेड डायरेक्टर्स के द्वारा ही. आप क्या कहेंगी?
मैं यहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ के लिए आई हूँ, मुकेश की कास्टिंग कंपनी. इसके बीच मुझे अभी कास्टिंग काउच की नहीं बात करनी. एक मैं कोई नहीं होती हूँ उसके बारे में बात करने की, क्योंकि people who want to indulge in a casting couch and have a casting couch will always have one. My saying something for it or against it is not going to take it away. It's up to us and how strong we are and how much we believe in our own talent. कि हम we stick around, we work hard, and we prove, we make a journey through our talent. अभी I am nobody to sit in judgment of what somebody else does.
No, your reaction matters because you are a public figure, right?
My reaction matters. Of course, I think it's a terrible thing. There should be no casting couch anywhere, whether it's the film industry or it's a corporate office. It should not be anywhere because that's a power game and it's unfair. But I'm sure it happens. I am very happy that I have some hand over my head where I have not had to face it, but I'm sure it happens. But I will tell anybody who faces this problem that, of course, it's up to you, but I think you should have faith in your talent.
Okay,
And that will speak for itself.
Aditi, now you told something about you have learned. Now you told something about you have learned how to face it, right?
I've learned how to face what?
The casting, the question that your reaction itself, you're telling something about ki I have learned how to face it and all.
I've learned how to face what? I never said
The
that.
casting couch wala thing and all.
I didn't learn how to face anything.
No,
I didn't say that.
I listened.
How much do you feel
Okay,
is the
I don't
kind
know
of
what you're
trust
saying.
that you have to put in when you talking about Mukesh when any
Say
casting
that
thing
again?
goes on?
Sorry?
कितना trust होना जरूरी होता है fan
I think बहुत ज़रूरी होता है क्योंकि आपका casting director, when you meet a casting director, it's in a like a room. There's no actor in front of you. There's no situation in front of you. आप react नहीं कर सकते naturally. But when you have a casting director who understands what an actor is going through, who understands what the director wants. फिर as an actor, you can completely trust them. You can feel comfortable with them. You can feel safe with them, and you can क्योंकि कैमरे के सामने I think an actor should be very vulnerable and very open. And when you have somebody who you trust, then you can be like that with them. And you can show the director your best performance, you know. So I think it's very important to be able to trust a casting director and to be able to have a casting director who the director trusts. So it's a two-way process.